Hey everybody, welcome back to Hood Time Welding with Ever. So today we have we actually have two projects I'm going to be taping. The first one is modifying these rails. They're safety rails for kids' beds. If you see, this is turned down, or turned out. So what it is the customer can't get the rail between the side of the mattress and the rail on the bed. So what we're going to actually have to do is cut this off down here on both sides and flip this up so it's in line with here. After that, to help it stand up on the bed and stay in place, we're actually gonna, it's sort of hard for you guys to see, there's some rivets right here that we'll drill the top off. We'll drive these pins out. Once we have them out, we'll actually end up drilling this, or welding this right to there. So that's the first project today. This isn't going to take us very long. There's two of them to do, but they're still pretty quick to do. I'll explain the next one after we get this one done. So let's go ahead and get started on this one. Got this all done. I didn't show cleaning it up, but you saw how well it is. Sort of a pain in the butt just because it's so thin, but got these welded totally on. This will stick under the bed so they stay in place, and just how I got to do two of them. The next project we're going to get started on, after I get knocked out by both of them, is these are Nerf bars from a four-wheeler. And you can see this broke off of here. So what I got to do is clean everything up on both of these. The holes are slightly slotted, so it's harder to make slotted holes. I don't really have the right equipment to do it, so I'm just going to try to reuse these tabs. Like I said, I'm just going to clean both ends, get them fit back together, and weld them back up. So that'll be the next job, so let's go ahead and get started on that one. We'll go ahead and start with the cleaning. So we're all done with these Nerf bars. As you can see, I did a lot of cleaning on it to begin with. You know, wire brush it, use some acetone, still, it's so impregnated with crap that it makes it hard to get a good weld. Plus, I don't get a chance to do aluminum very often. I get it about once every 3 or 4 months, and it's a little job like this. This one, yeah, I screwed up a little bit and melted away a little bit of that corner, but it still should work for what it's for. One of these days I'll actually get a job where I can get some nice clean aluminum and I can get back to be able to do it. I've never been real great with aluminum, but anyways, hey, if you have any comments, questions, whatever, just put them down there. I'll try to answer them. I'm pretty good about that. So thanks for watching. Bye.